I am Tarot Poet Fairyfarmgirl. Yep, that's me. Recently, I went to a beautiful restaurant. I immediately noticed the painting. The painting. I felt drawn into the painting. I imagined myself sitting with the Buddha. I thought about the book I read so long ago, Siddhartha by Hermann Hesse, an imagined account of the life of Siddhartha and the Buddha. The Buddha. Hermann Hesse writes, Siddhartha reached the long river in the wood, the same river across which a ferryman had once taken him. Softly he said the word Om to himself, over which he had fallen asleep. It seemed to him as if his whole sleep had been a long, deep pronouncing of Om, thinking of Om, and immersion and penetration into Om, into the nameless, into the divine. I reflected on this as I sat with my companion and looked at this painting and shared a meal. And I wondered about the Om, and I felt drawn into it as I experienced the beauty of this food and the kindness of the people who served us our food. And I felt something deeply transformative and sacred. I bless you with love from my heart of gratitude to your heart.